Okay, so we are finally leaving the shelter. So we are hiking down to the general store. It's a little bit over 1 mile. We have a 1300 climb ahead of us. Our total miles for today will be 8.1 miles. Fun! And everything is still damp, of course, because of the rain yesterday. But that was some downpour, man. That was insane. It's a beautiful morning. We are heading back to the trail. This is a 0.2 miles off trail. This very shelter, so we gotta hike our way back to the trail. Alright, here we are at the sign. Alright, so we're heading to the grocery store now. They have a deli, cold and hot deli over there. Very excited here. Here we go. Here's the water source from yesterday, where we got all our water. Alright. I know, that's very low.
I was going to say, nothing says I stopped in a thunderstorm like it.
Here's the bridge, we just crossed that. Moving forward.
Green Mountain Road.
Green Mountain Road. Oh, oh, car. 80 right here. U.S. boundary. 80.
This is not the 80 that way.
Oh.
That's not even a frickin'.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's the blaze.
It smells good in here.
Right.
Oh man.
Wow, look at this stretch.
Ohio.
Yeah, this is what we trained for. Here's Will. So last night there's a lot of us in the shelter. It poured, like really poured. And there was like latecomers. I think there's 4 of them. And then a few more. We can't fit them all in the shelter. So they head back to the campsites before the shelter. So yeah, there's a lot of people trying to head to this very shelter, trying to beat the storm, but they got soaked. Me, Bill, Tinder, and a couple of old guys.
Pack Animal and Gandalf.
There you go. Pack Animal and Gandalf.
Like 4 kids. Wasn't it 4 or 3?
I think there's 4 kids. Yeah, the 4 kids didn't beat the storm. They were like so soaked.
It was like, yeah, that's right. It was like the boyfriend, girlfriend, and
Yeah.
her 2 siblings.
Yeah. So that was some interesting night. That's a full packed shelter. There's a water source.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. Look at that. Very neat. Very clean. We've been passing clean water sources out here.
It is.
Look at this. This tunnel you kind of like need to duck in some places.
Stop, please.
What?
Don't do anything. Just stand where you are. I want to
Okay.
get a picture, but I don't want your head bust. Keep looking straight. I wanted you in the picture, but I wanted to get a good shot of the trail. It's really hard to do while we're walking. I was like, man, if we can get like 6 miles of this, I'll go uphill for 2 miles.
Oh boy. So we've been here. Is this our 2 weeks? 2 weeks?
Yes, today is 2 weeks exactly. Woohoo!
We made it 2 weeks. So last time when we were doing this Novo, we only hiked for what, 16 days?
16 days.
There you go. So 2 more days. And pray for us. We really want to beat that 16-day record.
Well, then we got to beat the 136 miles.
There you go.
We will be at our first 100 miles pretty soon.
Mm.
Like, I don't think today, maybe tomorrow. I can't remember.
Okay. But yeah, we're staying positive. Thank you for your continuous prayers. we are enjoying ourselves out here. We've been meeting a lot of different people, lots of old people, retirees mostly, lots of kids that are really healthy because we're in Harper's Ferry now, you know. So we've been seeing these kids that are hustling now from you know, from Springer. Now they're over here. So yeah, that's really something. Let me do and try some slow-mo here, you know. It just keeps going and going, just straight. It looks so alive. I've been hearing roosters earlier. Okay, here's Tinder. He's faster than us. We're gonna stop here a little bit. Let him pass.
Got a trail light. I feel it there.
We hopscotch all the way to Maine. I ain't mad. Someone at least knows if I go missing.
Right. Hey, we crossed the railroad tracks. Here we go.
They go all the way to by that camp area, Pollen Springs.
Oh man.
So I mean, you know. Right.
Yeah, Gandalf has this app, like a plant identifier thing. It started when I was talking to him about this leaf growing on the trunk of the tree. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's poison ivy. I try to make myself really familiar with it. Here's the AT. Oh, is it?
So,
okay.
somebody said there was like a trail beforehand.
So yeah, because the leaves are so big, so he took out his phone and used his plant identifier app, and yeah, those leaves are poison ivy leaves. Then he saw a plant close to it. It looks like hemlock, but hemlock leaves looks like parsley. And we're like just talking and stuff and whatnot, and I was like, so can you eat hemlock leaves? He was like, yeah, and then you die. Okay. We're road walking now to the store. It's a side trail to the store.
Yeah, we're walking towards the deli.
Yeah, we're following Tinder. I want some hot food, hot breakfast. That'll be nice. I don't want any more bars right now. It's protein bars and meal replacement bars. Alright, we made it to the general store.
Not yet, we're still on the road. Chickens is where they have.
You don't count your chickens. Okay, we are off now. Going back to the trail. It's 0.2 miles back. And then heading on. There's 2 water sources we'll be crossing throughout the day before we hit the shelter.
Oh, no, you're right. I'm wrong.
It's right here.
I mean, you can take either road, but this is probably the better route.
Alright, we're back here again. Appalachian Trail. Hunter's Run Trailhead parking right here. Okay, here we go. This is it. Back on the AT. Hike, hike, hike. Walk, walk, walk. Boardwalk. Okay, so this is gonna be first water source. I think there's two. Appalachian Trail Road right there. It's getting hot now. Very hot. Okay. This way. There's the marker behind that tree right there.
Yeah,
So go right here.
there it is.
Right there. Marker. Go this way. We're just walking. And here's the road. I asked, what's the significance of this road?
And I said, well, we're supposed to be here, so it means we're not lost. We're going the right way. No, there's no significance.
There is no significance. You just gotta cross it. That's the significance.
Deerwood Campground, that I believe was on Gut Hooks too. That's a place you can camp. You can pay to stay.
Okay.
It's not a shelter.
Alright.
Man, we'll
That
stay
feels
here
nice.
and enjoy the breeze for a minute.
So we just met a couple of hikers. They're only 70 miles short. Should I say it that way?
Yeah.
They need 70 more miles and then they're done at their 80 through hike. They started last July. Is that?
Yes.
They started last July and they're finishing it. So they're finishing PA and they're through hikers after that, which is pretty cool. We found a gold mine of cicadas. Look at this. They're all over this tree. Oh my goodness. These are all shells. I don't know where they're at now. We're getting closer and closer. We're seeing more and more of them, like closer and closer to where there's like a gazillion of them. So, oh my gosh. Like, what the heck is going on? Oh, Bill is trying to get one. Oh my goodness. So, oh wow. There's a lot, like, oh, that is
big,
crazy. Wow, it's all over this thing. Are you seeing this?
Are you seeing this?
Are you seeing this?
I got
This
one on my head.
Oh,
I put it there.
oh, you did?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Oh, he fell down the back.
Oh.
You see him? Yeah, I don't want him to like get squished between my backpack.
It's probably between your
Would you
back.
help me out? I know it is. Like, I'm gonna like lower this.
Okay, lower it.
You see him yet?
No. Oh, it's on your shirt.
Yeah, can you get him off?
I can't, I'm not touching that thing.
You just grab them by the wing area. They can't do nothing. They
Oh my gosh.
touch it.
Hold on.
You eat balut.
Oh my
touch
gosh.
the darn cicada.
It's moving. No. I can't.
Touch the cicada. You eat balut. Touch the cicada.
I'm gonna poke it with my stick. It's walking.
Which
it's
way?
walking to your left. It's on your strap.
Oh, I see him. Okay, I just didn't want to get crushed.
How can we? And we're on this side.
Alright. That was a nice little break. Good thing.
Ah, look at this. So lower this tree too. Okay. And on this other one. Ah, it's so scary now. I'm scared. Wow. The heck. Before you were only seeing like a few here and there on some under leaves and stuff, like on plants and whatnot, and now they're like everywhere. Oh my goodness. This place is infested by it. Power lines. Another road.
You could get water here since it rained.
That's true.
I'm sure there's not normally water here, because that's not that much water.
Mm. I don't know. Do you want to stop here? The pollens here are crazy.
I'm wondering if there's tons of wah-wah flowing here. Remember, folks, haters are the same as fans. They follow your progress with different intentions. But regardless, they both follow your progress. Stay humble. Call me kitchen sink.
And yes, we do follow Call Me Kitchen Sink with the water sources. Bill had a few laughs with
people trolling him. Trolling somebody in Gut Hook's comments. Like, wow, you're mature.
Yeah, it's there's some drama still on the trail. We try to stay away and just do our thing, you know.
I like to laugh from a distance.
I like to laugh from a distance. That's us. Okay, so you're just gonna hang out here and enjoy this water source.
It's like better at home. It's 61 degrees there. Not 73.
And then we'll move on.
Yeah, we'll move on.
Okay. We're almost there. It's just, how many more? Like 3 more miles?
4.1.
4.
680 feet up.
There you go.
And a bunch of downhill.
And a bunch of downhill.
I don't remember how much. About the same.
Okay. Sounds good. There's gonna be a lot of people going to that very shelter. There's like 4 guys that's already ahead of us heading that way. We'll see what happens. We might pitch our tent up. We might not. Who knows? We just enjoy shelter hopping. It's just, the shelters here are nice. Look at this water source. Oh, it goes to a campsite. Over there. Nice.
Of course.
Okay. AT goes this way. Oh. Nice. It's rocking. Babe, don't do that. He's rocking the thing. You're crazy. The pollen is on full blast. I've been sneezing like crazy. Definitely gonna take some Benadryl tonight.
Yes. I'm taking some Benadryl and some melatonin if I still have it.
Yeah, it's bad. I have a good allergen tolerance, okay? But this type of pollen is something else. Normally it's just Bill's getting affected by pollens and stuff in the morning and throughout the day, but now I'm affected. Oh, road walk.
No. I mean, yes, yes, road walk. Like 10 feet of road walk.
Alright. AT goes that way. Okay. So this is a good uphill. Going up. Okay. Whew. Yeah. Breathe a little. Over here. That's the trail. Wow. Okay. And like right here. Give me a second. My knees are a little shaky here.
Yeah, you're fine.
AT goes.
We should go up that.
Oh wow. So we go through up those rocks. Okay.
Come over here, I'd like to get your picture when you're done.
Alright. Okay, my turn. Okay.
It's hard and it hurts. Thanks.
I just noticed one of my tips are gone. My carbon tips. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, it is.
Wow. I don't know when I lost it, but it's gone.
These are basically done. We'll have to go to TCO Outdoors. See, I've never, you know, new experiences with trekking poles. I think this pole's out and a new tip goes in.
Okay.
But I'm not positive.
Alright. Oh.
Yeah, that might be an easy fix or $100 mistake.
Yeah, or just get another 40 bucks
Yeah,
of
where are you
trekking pole.
gonna get them?
Oh my goodness. Alright, this rock ensemble is really something else. Just gotta follow the blaze and watch where you're going, because you might get a little turned around here. Go ahead, babe. Yeah. Yeah, this is taking a lot of our time. We were making good time earlier, but not anymore. Alright, so we hit a road again. Just crossed this bridge. And AT, I think, goes that way. Western terminus, the Mason-Dixon Trail. Cool. Wow, the ferns, they're beautiful. We're about 0.5-ish miles.
Less than that, we're 0.5 ways back there.
Alright, we're very close to the shelter, so yay! It's an interesting day. It's very challenging. The rocks to get to this very shelter, it's hard. It was fun, but it was hard on us. So yeah, that really took a toll on our feet, that's for sure. And don't trust gut hooks on this one. We've been having problems with gut hooks on this very section of the trail. It's crazy, especially the elevation, the ascent and descent. Oh, butterfly. Okay, get going here. Bill's already down there. I'll catch up. Water source. There's the uphill again. It says no more uphills, I guess. Shelter! Finally!
Hi, I'm Grace. I'm Filipino, and my husband Bill is an American veteran. We would like to share our experiences with you and hope we can be a blessing to you. When you see us in the outdoors, say hi and don't be camera shy. This is the Coffee and Ready channel. Bill and I decided to do a flip-flop of the Appalachian Trail. Yes, the Novo Appalachian Trail thru-hike ended at the NOC, but this doesn't mean it's over. This only means we changed our approach in finishing the thru-hike. This time, we start close to midpoint of the Appalachian Trail at mile 1025.4, Harper's Ferry, and keep hiking northbound to Maine. Get dropped off at Harper's Ferry again, hike southbound to the NOC, which is at mile 136.9. Probably hike all the way back to Georgia to finish the flip-flop 100%.